So Mr. Tung, what do you think the progress so far?
The progress is okay, very fast, because we need more material coming to build.
Yeah, I know. You can actually be faster than this, can't you? If you had all the aluminium, if I brought in all the truckloads of all the aluminium you required, you could have 8 guys on my boat, couldn't you?
Yeah.
And it would be finished in a few weeks.
And you can see that only 2.5 months, almost the vessel already in position for the main structure.
Unbelievable. We had a comment about welding in the bow section, and we're going to answer that. People said, how are you going to get, because it's a tiny little section, how are we going to get someone in there to actually do the welds? Well, here comes the answer. Mr. Tung's just trying to find the files. I suggested it's just a dark hole with 2 little legs sticking out, and you hear and you see the bright flashes of the welding. I don't know. Let's see it.
This is the bow. The one we cannot go inside here.
Oh, that's the bow. Yeah, okay.
We just do the slot weld.
Oh, so the weld is actually done from the outside?
Yeah.
Ah, and it's done. Okay, let's have a look.
That's the one. Depend on the how much thickness you have. But this is the standard. The wide is 25 mm minimum, so you can weld it around. And then this one, the width is around 80 to 100.
Okay.
The length.
The length.
And then the width is 25 mm minimum.
Okay. If I'm to understand this correctly, we're welding completely from the outside through the slot to the exposed frame within the boat. Obviously, afterwards you have these divots in the shell, which can be filled up later. So you've got access with these slots, or through these slots, to the frame.
So we just do the one side self-plating.
Yeah, so that's easy to do, one side welding.
Weld it all. And then the other side, you just do the slot weld.
Yeah, okay. The poor guy's sick of my question. Jeffrey's already run away from him. We got another comment from a viewer. What was the comment here? I've forgotten. Oh, why are you building it
upright?
The right way up?
Yeah.
Well, I can think of one good reason. You're going to save time because it's already in the right position.
Yeah.
So what are the other pluses of having it already in the right way up? I know you're looking at Adonis because you want him to answer the question.
Why you don't need?
We have 2 options to build the vessel. We can do the normal way here, you can see.
Yep.
And we can do another, that one is upside down.
Yeah.
And normally for big vessel, we divide block by block and we do upside down, and we can build in many workshops.
Yeah.
And later on, when we finish, we just bring to the big workshop and we elson on.
Okay. So you have done that in the past?
Yeah, many steel and alloy also we do.
Okay.
But for this small boat like this, we can build right up.
Yep.
So as what you said, saving time and then less deformation.
Less deformation?
Yeah. So because we already put in place and tie in all the components, install all the components, so the vessel, when you do the welding, it's
all supporting each other. Yeah.
Strong enough for the weld deformation.
Okay.
You can see this vessel we're doing upside down. This one?
You did this one upside down?
Yeah, I will show you the.
Is this the 97?
Yes.
How many meters is this?
85 meters.
85 meters.
Yeah,
And how fast does this go?
Around 1 year.
No, how fast?
How
speed?
fast?
Yeah.
Speed 120 knots.
Yeah, it's only 20 knots, 19, 20 knots.
It's only 19 or 20 knots.
Still vessel.
Oh, that's a steel vessel.
Still.
You can see we do upside down, huh?
Yeah.
I have many pictures.
But the aluminum vessel we build is the speed is at around, the range is from 30 knots to 40 knots.
Wow. And they're big boats too.
Yeah, big boats from 45 meters to 94 meters, and also we build 118 meters.
118?
Yeah.
Wow.
You have any question for Adonis?
We're trying to share everyone around so they don't get pissed off with me, people. This is Adonis. He's the head honcho. He knows all. He knows all. Do you have any words of wisdom for us today, Adonis? Words of wisdom?
Well, I think the guys have already says everything.
I'll give you some specifics. I'm going to go through the comments now. But Adonis has worked around the world with aluminium vessels, 25 years in aluminium vessels, and he's worked in Australia, Philippines, Vietnam,
Saudi Arabia.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
Like 10 years in Philippines for repair and fabrication, and then 2 years in Western Australia, 3 years in Saudi Arabia, and then now almost 10 years here in Vietnam. Almost the same stuff.
These guys really know what they're doing. I'm getting a whole bunch of pictures. We'll go through it. What was that you mentioned just before, Jeffrey?
I'm begging you to please subscribe Peter's channel. What's that? Sell for life. And hit the notification bell so you will be updated.
There you go. Excellent. Top stuff, people. We'll have one more last look at the factory, see what's happening here. Look at the bulkheads getting made. I think these guys are going to get sick of me filming, doing these bulkheads. So they're using 5183 welding wire. That's the best for our application for seawater. It's also good for 5083. Jesus, this wasn't even here this morning. Unbelievable. And there's a whole bunch of these templates to check everything. How good's that? Bloody amazing. If you'd like to be a part of the project or crew, then come and join up as a patron. Nearly all the rewards are trying to get you onto the boat, either for a day sail, a weekender, a week or two holiday, or for the ultimate experience to join us on one of the legs of the Elcano Challenge. There are wonderful places all around this beautiful world that you could come and visit me and the crew to kick back and see what it's really like. It's hard to stop looking back at the boat. Just can't help myself. It's amazing, it's finally happening.